The first thing you guys see is feet. Because you like feet for some reason. Let's keep going.
Oh, you're so smart.
Legs!
Good job, Anon. Good job.
They don't move too much because I'm kind of floating. Oh! Now we get to see Now we get to see and now keep going. This is what the part you like, I think. Also, let me remove the jacket for this. There we go. Alright. So first, there's wings. I really wanted wings because parrot, obviously. I can do zoom-ins here. So we have little hands, cute. We have the design of the wings, which is pretty nice. Then obviously, booba and booba physics. Wait. I'm not a real VTuber. I just get this shit because it's fun. And you guys paid for it, so. Not a real VTuber, guys. Okay, look at the booba. Not a real VTuber. Anyway, I might get fucking demonetized for that, so let's move on. We can keep going now. Hello, you motherfuckers. I can see you now. How you guys doing? Huh? Feel tempted by the model yet? I've received some crazy DMs about wanting to do model. Flap, flap, get airborne, flap. Thank you for the $5. Arrow mage. And then, on the top, there's the parrot. So, parrot is not really gone. It's just in the head. So, take your tongue out. Okay, Rebecca. Okay, mama. It's pretty cute. I can show like... There you guys can see the skirt's no longer there, but... Yeah, no. YouTube will bonk me. YouTube will fucking bonk me. What'd you say, Rebecca? Your mama wants you to mix shocked with heart's eyes, then stick out your tongue. Shocked. Heart eyes. Happy?